are you having fun? Thank you for watching another episode. This is my son, Cooper.
This is my dad, CJ the CPA.
So we're going to talk about how much should you save? How much should you save? You know, people say 10%. Cooper, what does 10% even mean?
Well, I'd have to get my calculator out for that, but it only means just a little bit.
Just a little bit. So we're going to show you an example. If you watched the last episode, here's what I gave Cooper. And, ready? And I gave him 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters as well.
Now, do you remember how much that was? That's right, $6. So if I were to save 10% from this $6, I would set aside 1 quarter and 2 quarter, and I would still have 5 $1 bills and 2 quarters. Now, if you look at it, that's still a lot.
That's right. You still have a lot left. So if you give me back that money, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give Cooper, so that you really see what 10% is, I'm going to give him 9 quarters, and one just dropped on the floor. So there's 9 dimes. 9 dimes. See, Coop knows. So I just gave you 9 dimes.
Yes.
Okay. If you were to give me the one that fell on the ground back, then that would be how much?
That'd be 10%.
10%. So maybe you will see that that's not a lot. It wasn't even that many, that it fell on the ground. And he still has 9 dimes left. That would be the 10%. So you see that it's just setting aside for a little bit. And Cooper, why would we set aside money? So what would be some things that you would actually save for?
So if I'm going to, say it's Monday and I know on Friday I'm going to go bowl with my friends and it's going to cost $15. Well, on Monday, say I have $50. So I'm going to think, well, I have to go Monday through Thursday. I need, maybe to buy myself lunch, or I'm going to go on a date with my girlfriend, whatever. I'm going to think that I need to set aside $15 so I can be able to go bowling with my friends on Friday.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So if you knew that you just got some money, so why don't you give me these 9 dimes back, and there's one on the floor. But if you knew that next week you wanted to get a gumball when you went to the store, because you know that you're going to the store next week, well, how much of this would you want to save to make sure that you could buy a gumball later or a toy later? See, you decide how much you get to save, and the amount that you want to save is what is coming up. What's going to be something that you want to spend money on later, and then that's for sure how much you would want to set aside. So how much should you save? And you know what I'm going to ask you now. If there's an adult watching this with you, or ask one of your parents or a grandparent, your brother, your sister, aunt, uncle, stepmom, stepdad, foster parents, ask them how much you should save. All right, so stay tuned, because now we're going to talk about what is a loan. What is a loan? We'll see you in a second.